So today on Done Right by Dad Productions, we're going to talk Poland, we're going to talk handguns, and we're going to talk about Canadian laws. Check this out, guys. So in Canada these days, it is illegal to purchase a firearm, and it is illegal to sell a firearm. What an idiot. A restricted firearm. So I was cleaning the gun a while ago, and I was knocking out this pin to hold your firing pin in place for cleaning, and the pin shot out and the spring shot backwards, and I was outside and it was gone. So I went, well, how am I going to fix this thing? Right? So anyway, that's the pin that goes in. That's this guy right here. And your firing pin slides straight down the back there, which is this guy here. Now, I ordered these things from Poland, and you know, I think it was like $30 for this pin, and it was like $30 for this guy to hold it in place in this groove here. And I thought, well, $60, hell, I'll try and see if the parts show up to Canada from Poland. I mean, you know, some shit going on in the world out there these days. And sure enough, it showed up. It took a couple weeks, but it showed up, and I'm going to rebuild this firing pin. And this is totally legal. I had this handgun before the laws changed. I do have my restricted license. Come on, get out of there, you little son of a... So hard to do with one hand. Thank you. Yes, so I guess I am grandfathered in now, because I had these before the laws took effect. And I believe this unit is 1945 or 47. Oh, this one's a 51. The other one's a 47. Yeah, gonna put this back together and try it out. So I'm gonna try and do this because my tripod broke. I'm not sure if this pin with the notch up slides in place right there with the notch up, or if this notch is down and it slides into place, but put it in and find out what we're doing. I'm gonna try notch down first. Now I imagine that spring is probably pretty strong. Don't lose it again, man. Ooh, see? I guess it'd be good if I open this damn thing up first. What's that? Oh, you son of a bitch. All right. If I can do this here. That's solid through there. I don't have it in the right spot clearly, so I can't see the notch. I'm flipping it so the notch is facing up. Try this stuff again. There we go, that looks better. Now this end's got the pinch end, this end doesn't, so I'm gonna put this end in first. Ooh, 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 ooh.
I'm knocking you
Doesn't
out.
just, oh, here comes the fam jam.
I'm knocking you out.
Well, they sure don't make that easy to get in there. Even from the other side. All right. So it turns out you gotta get that pinched end in first, and you gotta get in there with a hammer, because it's not easy to get started. So now that it's started, put my firing pin in. Oh my goodness. There you have it. It's back through. Firing pins in. Make sure the notch is facing to the top of your side. And time to put it back together. As you see, guys, it's pretty simple to put that firing pin in there. You can hold it in with your finger. Not much to it. I'm gonna go take it out this weekend and test it out. See if it all works. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a subscribe. Help me out. Help the channel out. Help the family out. All right, guys, have a good day.